think you don't have a green thumb or enough hours in the day for gardening. Think again. Is it possible to have a lush garden and still make it to soccer practice on time? Absolutely.
And in this video,
We'll reveal the genius shortcuts and smart strategies that busy Mississippi moms are using to grow amazing gardens with minimal effort. Are you a Mississippi mom, drowning in carpool lines and laundry, but dreaming of fresh tomatoes right outside your door? We get it. Between the limited time, our unpredictable Mississippi weather, and just trying to keep up with family life, adding a garden can feel like one more thing on an endless to-do list. But what if I told you it could be your stress-free escape? Today, we're showing you simple, effective hacks to get a thriving garden without adding any stress to your plate. First up, let's set you up for success. The key is to start smart. Choose plants that love Mississippi's climate, like heat-tolerant herbs such as basil and rosemary, or easy-grow veggies like okra and southern peas. These guys practically grow themselves. And here's a game changer. Raised beds and containers. They mean less weeding, better drainage, and a super quick setup. Forget spending hours tilling the soil. Just start with a good quality compost mix. It's the ultimate shortcut to happy plants. Now for the real magic. The efficiency hacks. My number one tip, drip irrigation or soaker hoses. Seriously, you set it and forget it, which is a lifesaver for busy schedules and a must-have for our hot summers. Next, get friendly with mulch. A thick layer of straw or pine bark suppresses weeds and keeps the soil moist, saving you hours of work. And let's not forget companion planting. Planting marigolds with your tomatoes, for example, can naturally keep pests away, which means fewer problems for you to solve. Ready for some instant gratification? Plant some fast-growing crops like radishes, lettuce, or bush beans. You'll be harvesting in no time. If you're short on space, think vertically. A simple trellis for your cucumbers or beans can dramatically increase your yield. And when you've got a beautiful bounty, don't feel pressured to do a massive canning project. You can easily preserve the freshness by freezing herbs in ice cube trays or making a quick batch of refrigerator pickles. Finally, let's make this a long-term habit. Start a simple compost pile for your kitchen scraps. It's free fertilizer that builds incredible soil over time. Learn to do a quick daily check on your plants. A 5-minute walkthrough can help you spot issues before they become big problems. Most importantly, embrace imperfection. Your garden is about the joy of growing, the taste of fresh food, and a little moment of peace for yourself, not a perfect magazine cover. It's your own little oasis. Thanks so much for watching! If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy gardening hacks. Happy growing!